Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a willow ball. It's a lovely thing to play with, it's lovely in the garden, and it's easy to make. All you need is willow, and the first thing you do is you make a willow hoop. So to make a hoop, if you rub your thumb from the thick end up, it makes the rod more flexible and accentuates the natural curve of the rod. Holding the butt in one hand, we twist our hands around to make a circle, and then we feed the tip or thin end into the circle as if tying a knot. Now's the time to get the size you require. And once you're happy that the butt is lodged within the circle, we feed the rest of the rod in and out until the rod is more or less spent. Now the second hoop is the same size, but I've left the tip of the rod, which then allows me to join the two hoops together where they intersect. And this then is the key to making this ball, is that we use the tips of the rods to tie together where the hoops intersect. So here we are fixing the other end where the two rods join. With the third rod, it's put perpendicular to the first two, like the equator. And again, the tip of this rod is used to join where the hoops intersect. Now this is a little bit fiddly until all the hoops are joined together properly. But if you take your time, we'll get a nice firm three-dimensional shape around which we make our ball. So we try to join the hoops together as much as possible, and then taking one rod at a time, we insert the butt of the rod in between at least two places where it can be held. And now our task is to cut across the big gaps that we see and to fill in these gaps with a random weave, which every now and again goes under and then over. And this really is just a technique of just going where the rod wants you to take it. When the rod starts getting thin, we need to make sure that we lodge it as we go, and we use the thinness of the tip to join two rods that are crossing over each other together. And so we keep an eye on the shape. I'm cutting off these initial big butt ends, and we continue lodging the butt into the weave. Try to lodge it in two places, and then we move across and try to fill in the spaces. It's okay, in fact it's good, to change direction every now and again, which gives the rods tension and holds them in shape. And so it's just a matter of time. So there's probably about 24 rods in this ball, and I'm just knotting the final tip, and I think I'll leave it there. Now you can go as far as you want, fill it in more, but I quite like being able to see through it. Give it a final trim. See any A jagged end sticking out. Yeah, I think it's ready for play.